On this last question about the sunflowers, we're being asked about the interval from day 14 to day 35, and we're told that it's nearly constant. So day 14 right here to day 35, so this section right here. And what we're being asked, rather, we're told, so on this interval, which of the following equations best models the height, h in centimeters, of the sunflower t days after it begins to grow? So basically, we want to find a linear equation that best represents just this cut, this section of the graph. So what we see here is we're given, again, all different slopes and all different y-intercepts. So from just this, it'll probably be a little bit difficult to kind of figure out where the excuse me, where the y-intercept is. So instead, let's just try finding the approximate slope, right? Again, your slope is your change in y over your change in x. So here, approximately, we're looking at, what is that? Maybe, so a initial y value of, let's just go ahead and even say 40. So it's about an initial y value of 40, and it ends at a y value of about 130, right? So how much change is that? That'll be 130, right, minus, what did I say over here? About 40. So 130 minus 40, that's 90. So over this period of time, we vertically change by 90 centimeters. Well, over how much time is it? Our slope is our change in y over our change in x. So we have our change in y, 90. What's our change in x? It's 14 to 35. So that's how many days? 35 minus 14, that's 21 days. So to get our slope, we just divide 90 by 21. So that's 4.2, about 4.29. So in this section, our slope is about 4.29. Let's see if we have any answer choices like that. 4.29, so the closest by far is 4.5, and that's pretty close. I mean, basically 4.3 to 4.5, that's a reasonable approximation here. And with that, we can pretty much conclude that the answer is B. Why? We don't even have to worry about the y-intercept here, because the slopes are all vastly different, and we know we were nowhere near 2 and nowhere near 6.8. So this is a reasonable model of, based on our calculation of slope, it's a reasonable model of the growth rate. So B.